So here we are at Taj Kumarkam Resort and Spa. This is a beautiful property which is located in Kumarkam, which is 1.5 hour drive from Cochin Airport, and it's an hour drive from Ernakulam South Railway Station. We have come from Bangalore, so we have taken Cochin Airport, and it was a beautiful journey across. The roads and everything were pretty fine and nice. This is a 15-acre property which has apparently 28 villas and cottages. The way the cottages and villas been built is absolutely amazing, with the Kerala architecture, and the culture has been kept intact. They have not used a neutral colors of white and off-white. They rather have popped up colors like yellow and green, which gives it a heritage look and feel. So that's one thing which is amazing I liked about this property. The second best thing that I liked is basically it's surrounded by the Webinar Lake, which is the largest lake in India, and it's very beautiful. It's absolutely stunning. The view that you get from this property of that lake, I mean, you can just sit and relax and get one with the nature. You will hear the sounds of the birds chirping around you, and there'll be nice breeze with the swing trees, and there'll be backwaters view that you have. So you will see some houseboats being there in the lake. So it's breathtaking view, let me tell you that. Apart from that, there are various activities that they have within this property. When you say activities, there are they have kayaking, they have zip lining, which is at an additional cost, but they have bicycles, by the way, for adults and children, that they provide you at free of cost, so you can explore the property on your own with the bicycle. They have buggies as well for us to explore, because it's little expanded property. Then they have the folk dance at 8 p.m., which happens every day, and it is different classical dances that the young child comes, and sometimes a young child comes and performs those dances, and it's absolutely amazing to see that, because the way they do the performance is very, very nice, right? And they have something called as high tea in the evening, which operates from 4:30 to 5:30, which they call as chai kara. So all of these things I will share the details around it in the later part of my video, and also the couple of pros and cons about this property, and the costing about each category. Everything you will find at the end of my video, so keep seeing it. Hello everyone, this is my room, which is Grand Villa with plunge pool. It's the second category of room after the presidential villa at Taj Kumarkam Resort and Spa. And just as you enter, there's a beautiful mirror where you can see yourself, and then a luggage place with 2 wardrobes. And as you enter, there is a living area at my left side with a table, and there is a sofa here. They have a tea place, and again with a mirror. So this is the best part in the room. They have a lot of mirrors in the room, by the way. There is a tea place. I screwed up a little bit because we're almost about to check out. This is a baby hug sterilizer for the baby, and as you can see the interior, it's like the pop yellow color, which has kept the heritage look and feel of Kerala interiors. And the furnitures also, as you can see, they have made it very much like a old texture to it. And they also have a mini bar. They give you some cashew nuts and chocolates at additional cost. So as we go, I want to show you this clock, which is giving me the old British type look. It's very amazing. And there is a bird, which is also giving a nice heritage structure to the room. Then comes the best part. That's something which I fell in love with the room, which is the plunge pool. It's not at all like a plunge pool. It's a huge pool, I feel, in comparison to the other pools in the rooms. And there is a sunbed. You can sit here, enjoy a nice time while overlooking your kids having a time in the pool. And I just love this place because, as you can see around, the colors, the swaying trees around, the sound of water, and the stones in the down, every minute details in this room takes you back to the Kerala culture. So this is one of the best spots in my room. And then I will show you something very different. So along with this pool, there is also a door which overlooks to the lap pond. kind of structure. So as you can see, there is a small pond, which you call as a lagoon, pond, and it has lotus plants, and there is a swing. And just outside, stand here and overlook the Webinar Lake backwaters, which is the largest lake in Asia, in India. And there is a swing dedicated to my room. I couldn't enjoy the swing, by the way, because I was occupied with my little one who was a little sick, but I will take the time to do it now. So, as you can see, right, everything in a room. You have a pool, you have a swing, you have pond, and you have the biggest lake in India, and also the architecture and everything. I mean, I think this is the best room I have seen so far in all the 5 stars, and the sunbed that we had over there. And now I'll show you my restroom and the bathroom. So here is the bedroom. It has, the double bed, and we have ordered for additional, single bed for my daughter. And there is a king's bed, which is my son. They have a television in the room, and the washroom is also really different. It's an open bathing area, and it's really, really amazing to take shower here, because while taking shower, you hear the sound of water and then the birds chirping. And you can see the trees around. So it really takes you back to the nature, and one who loves the nature would love this property because of this. There's a restroom also in this place, and there is a bathtub who likes to enjoy time in the bathtub, and there's a beautiful large mirror for you to see yourself completely. They have a restroom here. So all the minute details. Also, there's a fan in this washroom, which I loved. So as I said, all the minute details of the room really impressed me, and I really want to come back because of this. So there is buggy services available in this resort. As I said, it's a huge property, so you need to explore sometimes with buggy, because it's very hot and humid in Kerala right now. So that's what I thought I'll share this glimpse and my journey towards my room, because the view is absolutely amazing. It is one with the nature. So please have a look. This water, by the way, has screwed up my morning today. I got myself drenched with the splash of this water. But it was funny.
It was not at all funny.
And as you can see, all these are the villa rooms, and they have some sort of a small bridge over the man-made pond, and then that takes you to the room. So this kind of the way they have built the architecture, it's really nice. And the best part about our room is that it is the last room in this row, and after that it's the Webinar Lake view. So I just come out, step out of the room, and I see the lake, beside my room. So that is the bestest thing that I feel in this property, and I would share that also with you right away. So just stay tuned to a couple of more seconds, and then we will see the room with the lake. So as you can see, this is our room number 24, the last room in this row, and after that is the Webinar Lake view. Isn't it absolutely amazing? You just step out of the room and you see the backwaters of Kerala. This is the fitness center here, and they have various equipments for your cardio, cycles, and the treadmill and stuff. I did my early morning cardio here. It was really nice. They also have a planned yoga, classes in the morning for 45 minutes, and they say it's really nice to do it here. I'm not a yoga person, so I haven't tried it though. But you can give it a try if you are a yoga person here. There is one and only outdoor swimming pool at this place, and this is also surrounded by the children pool. This also has a spa adjacent to it, which is the J Wellness Spa, and they have various therapies. We tried Ayurvedic therapy here. It was okay, not that very great as I expected the traditional Kerala, massage and therapy should be, but it was not too bad. So it's okay. And then they also have a bar attached to the pool. The cocktails were really amazing. I tried them and they were very nice. So that's more on the pool and spa. I'll share more details on the other things. So here we are at the high tea of Taj Kumarkam Resort and Spa, and we have some snacks with tea and coffee. They also have detox water. This is the famous Kerala banana chips, and I forgot the name of this stuff, but this is some snack which is very similar to your muruk in other cities, and this is very tasty. This is curry leaf cookies, very different. I haven't tried. The banana cake is already over, and they have something called as pajam pori, which is nothing but your banana fruit bhaji. So here we are near the Haiti place where we are doing the turtle feeding. So there are beautiful turtles in this small man-made pond, and I'm trying to feed her some banana cakes and hope she comes up to eat them. Yay! Yes, she's trying to capture it. Wow, it's such a beautiful feeling. I'm really having fun doing this activity here at Taj Kumarkam. They have this fish feeding, turtle feeding for the little ones. Why not you give a try, Arohi?
Oh, I like that one. Oh, I love this one. It's the most good one. Getting some cake, Mama.
So here we have Ajay from Taj Kumarkam Resort and Spa staff team who is responsible for the customers' entertainment, and he takes very well care of all of us. And he's gonna show me some card tricks which I found very amazing. So I thought I'll share with you. So whenever you visit, do mention his name, and he'll be there to show you his tricks.
Okay,
Over to you, Vijay.
I'll just show you with the 4 cards. Okay. So I have right now 4 aces. You can see here. Yeah.
Yeah.
I have 4 aces, ma'am.
Yeah.
Can you just give me a hand like this?
Sure.
Okay. So you know about ace, yeah? I'll just tell you. This is the ace of spade, ace of heart, ace of diamond, and ace of club. Okay.
Yeah.
Switch.
So I have to keep my hand like this.
Yeah. So
Okay.
what call this card?
I call it Hukam Ka Ikka. I don't know what do you
ace
call.
Of spade.
Okay.
Okay. I'll just place it here.
Okay.
Can you just hold it like?
Yeah, I'm holding it.
Okay. Little down. Okay. Wait.
Yeah.
And what call this card? Ace of.
Again, I call this Chidi Ka Ikka.
Okay, it's called ace of club. I'll just place it here. Yeah, is this fine?
No, you can place it here. Otherwise, you will not have space. Oh, okay.
It's okay. Yeah, just do
All
it.
right.
Okay.
All right.
So, ma'am, this is called what?
Chidi Ka Ikka, Hukam Ka Ikka.
Okay. So, chidi ka ekka, hukum ka ekka. Yeah?
Yes.
Am I right? Chidi ka ekka means sorry.
No.
Club, ace of
Hukam
club,
Ka Ikka, Chidi Ka
yeah,
Ikka.
ace of club and ace of
Yeah.
spade.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
Ace of club and ace of spade.
Right.
Club, spade. Okay. Which one is ace of club, ma'am?
The down one.
Down one. Are you sure?
Yes.
It's
Absolutely.
yeah. So it's a club. Club means chidi.
Now that is confusing me because I don't know what you call in.
Okay. So just can you just show me? Just show me, ma'am. Which one is?
Chidi Ka Ikka was on top.
Just you can
Hukam
flip
Ka Ikka was on down.
Yeah,
Now
just you
which
can
one you're
flip
saying will it
Anything
be?
you can just flip it.
What? How come? What? So just beside the lake we have activity area, which is kids club area. You can see there are some rides here. There is a shooting place over there, and then we have bicycles which is available at free of cost. And then we will go inside and see what is there in the activity area of Taj Kumarkam Resort and Spa. Okay, I can see TT here. There is carom. So I'll give you a quick glimpse of all of it. So as you can see, as I said, there is TT here. There is carom board. There is chess. And then we have this shooting ball, which is called ice hockey, and then some activities which can be arranged on needful basis for the kids. It's a beautiful morning at Kerala Taj Kumarkam Resort, and I'm heading towards my breakfast. I am very, very happy looking at the lake just beside to my room, and it looks amazing and stunning. The weather has become little pleasant today, so let's see what's there in the breakfast buffet. So I'm here at the breakfast buffet spread, which starts at 7:30 and it operates till 10:30. So here we have the fruits and fresh juices. We have the cereals and some desserts, which is donuts and some bread, toast. We have the medhu vada, and as you can see, the entire buffet. Here is the sabudana khichdi, and then we have some sorted beans. It's a macaroni with white sauce. We have grilled tomatoes and some baked beans to go with the toast. Boiled egg, some sandwiches, curd, yogurt, and for non-vegetarians there is chicken sausage and some raw whole fruits. This looks like some baked cheese, vegetables with baked cheese, and then we have the egg shakshuka. Must be like egg bhuji or something. So this is the entire spread, and on request we can order from the live counter like the omelets, dosas, pancakes, waffles, etc. So the time has come to check out from this beautiful property, Taj Kumarkam Resort and Spa. I thought I'll take a moment and let you know the pros and cons about this property, the cost of various categories, etc. So I'll just start with the cost first, and then I'll talk about pros and cons. There are not various categories, by the way, of the rooms, because they just have 28 villas and cottages. It starts with superior cottage, it goes to deluxe cottage, and then the grand villa with the plunge pool, and the last is the presidential villa. So the cost starts at 25,000 plus tax with breakfast, and if you add additional meal, it will be chargeable basis. And then the room which I am staying at, it actually costed me 65,000 plus tax, because that had a package of having an additional meal, which is dinner with breakfast, and that was one of the biggest room in the property, because it was 1100 square feet, plus it had a plunge pool, and you could have seen in the video how beautiful was the room. So that's about it. And the presidential villa will go to 1,10,000, which is the largest room, and there are not many, there are just two such villas. So this was on the room costing. And the complimentary activities, as I said, was the chai kada that they had, the folk dance that happens, and the Sandhya Aarti. So this is about the activities, and then the paid activities are like kayaking and zip lining. So this is about the room. Now coming to the pros of this particular property, it is a huge beautiful property surrounded by the backwaters of Bevernyard Lake. This is having a lot of greenery around the property. You can see the paddy fields. You can have one with the nature. You can really enjoy the nature. So if you are a nature lover, you will definitely love this property. If you are a typical Kerala food lover, you will also enjoy the property. And the other thing is, if you like to have you'd like to spot birds, and you like to spot some the aquatic animals and all of that, you would really like to come here and see the beautiful lake and the surroundings. Coming to the second thing is the rooms, the architecture, the way the rooms have been built. It's quite spacious, as I said. They have everything in the room, and the service of the the staff is very friendly. The way they took care of me, my infant, it was really amazing. They provided the food on a needful basis, and the service was quite quick. They had buggy services for the kids and senior citizens. That was also amazing. So staff behavior was very friendly, as I said. So I really enjoyed those things here. Coming to the cons, there are not many. I think they can be overlooked as well. But as I really want to provide you the honest feedback whenever I visit, so that you can plan it accordingly. You know what, the I feel somehow the food did not have a lot of options. So if you like continental food, you are more of like different pizzas, burgers, and all of that. There are not very much options over here, because they want to keep the culture of Kerala intact, right? That's how the property has been built. So you would, if you are a, as I said, Kerala food lover, you will really like it. There are seafood options. I'm a vegetarian, so I did not find too many options when I was ordering the food. So that's one thing that you have to keep in mind. The second thing is, I feel that they could add some more complementary activities, within the package, because there is a lot of scope of doing that. They have a lake, a huge lake. They are surrounded by that. They can provide a 15 minutes quick boating service for the customers, so that they like to enjoy the boating feel. They can provide some more sports, water sports, as some of them as complimentary, or maybe some activities just for the families, in-house activities for the kids. Even the kids play area was not that having lot of options for the kids, unlike the other what do I say, other options in the 5 stars. So when I go to the 5 star, that's one thing that I really like. They really put some efforts on the kids play, because they know that the parents come, they want to drop their kids, they want their kids to enjoy. Over here there was a lack of that, because they had just couple of indoor games. So that's something I would say they have a scope to improve. Otherwise, as I said, if you're a nature lover, it's really a beautiful property. So that's all about it. I have kept all the information in my video for you to look at. There is a different houseboat experience that I have added, so that you can understand and plan your journey here. But houseboat video is a separate video, and that is, as I said, at an additional cost. The cost of that also I will mention here, because I haven't mentioned it there. It costed me close to 30,000 plus tax, which had lunch with it. And it was having 2 rooms, AC rooms, in that houseboat, and it was a decent houseboat experience. I had an houseboat experience for the first time, and I really enjoyed it. Though I did not stay in that, just to let you know, I had a half day boat journey, because I'm traveling with 2 kids, and I was really skeptical how the evening would go, because there were already insects, little bit of insects I could spot in the bedroom. So which is why. But yeah, this is about it. If you are if you want to plan your stay for Taj Kumakom, this video will really help you to plan your stay. And if you're planning for houseboat also, you can just have a look at my video of the houseboat experience. It was a lovely experience. You can plan it accordingly. Thank you.
नहीं चलेगा
for lunch. Once you check into the room, freshen up and come back, or that also fine because till one day ago we will ask. Yeah, okay. Okay, you also join, sir. We'll take the video.
No, that's okay.